Bobo Sobo, play and learn. Today, we will learn how to wash our hands.
Wash, wash, wash your hands. Clean them nice with soapy foam. Rub them front and rub them back. Make the tiny bubbles stack.
Wash, wash, between each finger. Round and round, let bubbles linger. Rinse with water, fresh and clear. Healthy hands all through the year. Dry them gently, soft and slow. Now they're clean and ready to go. See you next time on Bobo Sobo Play and Learn.